Feel free and be relaxed.
Madam, you do fast. I no get time. I work with time. No when I go start, I go say Ashewo to get pepper body.
For where?
Meanwhile, money for hand, leg for ground.
How much did we bargain again?
At 25,000 till they break.
Don't worry, I will increase your money. No problem. I'll pay you $100 in gift cards.
You see? Madam Abe Ashewo, now cash or transfer they collect. Nothing concern Ashewo with gift card.
Don't worry, it's just for you to trade it and you will get your money.
I don't know where to trade. You give my money before I open leg.
I heard you guys are arguing about gift cards.
Don't mind this customer. Waiting concern Ashewo with gift card. She pay me in gift card. I don't know where to trade her.
Very easy. Treat with Angel gift card. Their prices are highest in Nigeria. They're fast and reliable. Download Angel gift card app on Apple Store, Play Store. Their price is good. Trust me, they're no scammers.
I just traded with them. Check.
I don't see a lot. No problem. So fast. Madam, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Madam. Come do.
I want us to try something different. So let's spice things up.
The blood of Jesus.
Mommy, slow.
You see this? I'm going to use it to blindfold your eyes.
How, Chim?
This is handcuffs for your hands.
Rono.
I'm going to use this to close your mouth because I don't want you to scream too much. Wow. Then you see this?
Oh boy.
I'm going to use it to whip you. You're going to enjoy it.
Madam, I don't understand you. You want beat me? I be for Kukuma tell me say you want put me for court. Show me all these ones.
It's going to spice up the whole thing. You enjoy it, trust me.
Madam, I know they do.
What if I increase your money to $200?
Madam, wipe me.
Trust me, you're going to like it.
Madam, I don't complete.
No, we've started it. We have to complete this.
Complete waiting. I don't do. I don't do.
I have one more thing to even.
Guys, we see what your mouth cannot stop. Jesus. This man.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.